we're going to go over how to get your own version of this portfolio template. First, go to classroom.google.com. To join the Godinez Portfolio Template Classroom, you're going to hit the plus sign to create or join a class, and then join class. There is a spot to add a class code. The class code that you are going to add is this right here, TLRW3YL. Please enter that code. Then hit join. We're going to go into our Godinez Portfolio Template Classroom. We have some directions here. One, click on the link to the drive, that's this. Make a copy and save it to your drive. 2-finger click is how I will do that. So I go to the drive, I'm going to open it. The only thing that is in the drive is going to be this portfolio template. I'm going to do a 2-finger click, and I am going to make a copy. When you make a copy, have the file name be your name, and then Godinez Portfolio. It'll take a little bit of time to copy into your drive, but that is where this file will appear. Next, open your portfolio so that you're looking at your copy of the template. Once you have your portfolio template, bookmark it. There's a star right here by the URL. Click it. You can just call it portfolio so that you have it. I have different folders for my bookmarks, but if I want it to be on the main bookmark bar, I can place it there. And then, since I have so many bookmarks, it's going to be way down here, so I'm going to move it up there. That way I have access to my portfolio and I can find it easily. It's now time to publish my portfolio for the first time. Let's go to Publish. And let's go here to Manage first. So we should see who can view my site. Anyone at SAUSD Google Apps. That's what we want. And when we copy the portfolio template, we should see that. Let's just verify. We're going to go to Manage. I'm going to go to Links. Links vary. I'm just going to change. And I should be able to see this. The draft is SAUSD Google Apps. That's the viewer. Published site is SAUSD Google Apps. Can view. That's what we want. If you want your site to be made public, where you can show your parents, where you can show relatives, but this also makes it more available, but you are able to select that option. But let's leave it for the most part at SAUSD Google Apps for now, and then done. So now I need to create this web address. The very first time that I create the web address, I want it to read Godinez Portfolio, then put your 2 initials, your first initial and then your last initial, and then your ID. So it should be Godinez Portfolio, your initials, and then your ID. Then hit Publish. It might take a minute here, but then you should see your site has been published successfully at the bottom.